In this video, we will take you through the complete Vivado FPGA design process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Vivado, click Create New Project. Now name your project and choose RTL project. Add your design source. Step 3. Add the constraint file. Use a .xdc file. Select your FPGA device. Run synthesis. Step 5. Run implementation. Vivado places and routes the logic into the physical resources of the FPGA. Generate bit stream. This creates the .bit file. Open Hardware Manager. Click Auto Connect and select Program Device. Browse to your bitstream file, click Program, and your design starts running instantly on the board.